That's the sun's over there. The sun's over there. Yeah. That's above the
Whatever
whole
this
road.
means. It's like a big tornado.
Yeah, it looks like it's coming out the middle. It's like sucking in and coming out the middle. Look at that. The sides are like striped. Oh my gosh. That thing is huge. Into the weather.
I took a photo.
Take a video. It's getting bigger. Technically, we're at war right now. So, I'm scared. Yeah, the light is coming out from at the top. The sun's over there. They're gonna be in the middle. Conference tornado. I'm scared.
Must be like 36.
36 degrees.
Look. 36 on Sunday.
Dang.
60s.
Wait, send this to Uncle E. Send
There's
this to Uncle
I
E.
already did.
Oh, there is? Oh, now it's coming from over there. This side's clear. Now it's coming from over there. Oh my gosh. That is a huge storm. It looks like it's moving like over us. No, actually it's moving to the left. I don't think we're gonna get hit, Dad, with like a tornado or something. Cause that side is moving over here.
Hopefully get some rain.
Yeah. Oh, Presley's gonna get it. If it's starting to like tornado or something. Yeah. So that cloud used to be over there. The huge cloud used to be over there, and now it's coming over here. I think it's moving to the left.
When is it supposed to rain?
But that cloud is moving toward us. It's spooky. Spookity dookity. That thing is huge. Oh boy.